Scientists and researchers have done a great job of bringing all the data to the forefront, but now it is the purview of engineers to execute on it. And it is important to have an engineer who can work with the existing systems to bring them up to the highest possible indoor air quality. So that's step one. Before you put in all new equipment, how do we get the most out of what we have? So I do believe a HVAC professional is vital to the team, but it has to be the team. It's got to be other stakeholders, such as the maintenance folks who are going to be doing the filters. If they don't have a program to change filters every quarter or every 6 months, then they need to have a seat at the table. And then finally, you've got to have the customer, the parents, the teachers, administrators. And so they're educated on what all these numbers mean. We have a project where they put the CO2 values on the wall, and everyone panics when they see it spike up and then down. 5,000 parts per million for 8 hours is the OSHA standard. And it went from the ambient 455 to 1200. Nothing crazy. As an HVAC engineer, I'm looking for it to go up and then start to come back down. That means my systems are working. But as soon as everyone sees it spike, it is panic. And that's why all the stakeholders have to begin the education. We all know at some level, good and bad. We don't get into the numbers. If I asked you what is a safe parts per billion of lead in water, you would just default to zero. Nothing. I want nothing. But there is some trace amounts that are acceptable, and that's in air quality, it's the same thing.